Hi there guys, we have LRC33 here. This is the Aniline Protector Spray. Very simple product to use. Main characteristics you've got to look out for is make sure that your aniline is deep cleaned prior to using and that it is 100% dry, or else this isn't going to work as it should do effectively to waterproof the surface and give it a protection spray over. Very simple product to use. On the trigger spray itself, where my finger is here, there's this little black lever that you can see that has the trigger clearly locked, as you can see. Move left or right. If we move that over to the left hand side, as you can clearly see, the trigger opens and the product sprays out. So to apply, make sure it's fully dry. You would just apply like so, a liberal spray on like this all over the aniline and allow that to just naturally dry in. You may find that you get areas where it soaks in like it is here. That means that's just much more of a porous area than what other areas are. It'll soak in and give a nice sort of protection on the surface there for your aniline leather. Once that's completely dried, I would then apply a second and third coating to make sure that you've got it nicely preserved and nicely protected against stains and spills and stuff like that. So that is LRC33 Aniline Protector Spray.